Hey friends, it's Kelly, and welcome back to this week's Aldi Finds for the week of May 13th. We have amazing barbecue, camping, and splash zone must-haves, so let's get started. We're going to start with our apparel, shoes, and accessories section. First up, we have the Sarah Beach hat. You can get animal print ribbon, black ribbon, or bucket for $4.99. We have the Sarah Ladies casual sandal, white, black, floral, or tan, $9.99. Next up, we have the Sarah Ladies swimsuit. You can get black, turquoise, or zebra, $9.99. And the last item in this section is the Sarah Beach cover up. You can get the black dress or brown short set cover up, $12.99. Now we're heading into the baby, kids, and toys section. We do have a few items here. First up, we have the children's character sunglasses. You can get Bluey, Minnie, Princess, or Stitch for $3.99. We have the licensed children's character bucket hats. You have 5 designs to choose from, $4.99. We have the licensed toddler character light up shoes. You can get Ariel, Minnie, Paw Patrol, or Spider Man, $14.99. And we have the licensed children's character cap. We have 5 different designs to choose from, $4.99. We also have the licensed toddler character water shoes. You have Ariel, Minnie, Paw Patrol, and Spider-Man. They do come in different sizes, so please check out the sizes. They are $6.99 each. We have the Lily and Dan Children's Swim Cover Up, pink or white, $8.99. We also have the Lily and Dan Toddler Swim Cover Up. That does come in blue, pink, or white for $8.99. We have the Magna Builds Travel Magnetic Tiles. You can get Ice Cream, Rainbow, Road Trip, or Glow City for $7.99. And we have the Magna Builds Magnetic Character Set, 7-piece set. Animals, mermaids, or pirates, $6.99. We also have the Magna Builds Travel Tech Cubes. You can get Campground, Beach Day, or Coral Reef for $7.99. And we have the Magna Builds Magnetic Tech Plates, Combo, Mermaid, or Pirate, $12.99. And we have the Knowledge Factory Magnetic Towel Organizer for $9.99. And the last item in this section is the Little Town Water Play Pipes. We have 5 different designs to choose from, only $9.99 each. Now we're heading into the garden and patio section. We just have 2 items here. First up, it's the Sunstar plant for $7.99. And the other item is the 10-inch hanging basket. They come in assorted varieties, only $8.99. Now we're heading into the home and decor section. We just have 1 item here, and it's the Castle Lux cordless table lamp. It comes in blue, gray, or egret, $12.99. Now we're heading into the home improvement section. We just have 2 items here. First up, it's the Halt firefighting spray foam for $12.99. And we have the Avenger Ridge rechargeable hanging fan. That would be really good, like on a porch or in a garage, $14.99. Now we're heading into the kitchen supply section, and we do have quite a few items here. First up, we have the Zach character color change tumblers. There are so many to choose from. We got Bluey, Disney Princess, Paw Patrol, Spider-Man, Stitch, and Super Mario, only $6.99. We have the Crofton Kids snack box. You can choose from frog, cloud, bear, or space, $8.99. And we have the Crofton Kids drinking bottle. We have frog, astronaut, bear, or flower for $8.99. And we have the Mealy Kids lemonade cutting or baking set. You can get baking, fruit veggie slice, or lemonade, $12.99. And we have the Crofton Spice Jar. You can get clear or blue. This was the only picture that they had of this. I would have loved to see what the inside looks like on this. And it's only $3.99. I'm not sure how big it is, but I am very curious about this one. And we have the Crofton Caddy, clear or multicolor, $9.99. And friends, this is pretty cool. It's the Crofton Charcuterie to Go board. You have one that's sectioned off and another one that has no sections. And obviously they have the lid, $19.99. I would love to see the size of that one. I think I'm going to have to make a trip to Aldi. We have the Crofton dip containers for $3.99. And we have the Crofton 2-burner griddle. It comes in gray, cream, or green, $14.99. We also have the Crofton oil bottle container, $3.99. And the last item in this section is the Crofton white 2-pack containers for $3.99. Now we're heading into the outdoor living, fitness, and sport section, and we do have quite a few items here. First up, it's the licensed kids character beach towel. You have Gabby's Dollhouse, Hello Kitty, Hot Wheels, Paw Patrol, or Sonic, $9.99. We also have the Little Town disc or sweet, the disc or seat swing, and they all come in blue, pink, purple, or yellow, $9.99 each. We have the Sakar character 3-wheel scooter. You can get Barbie, Bluey, or Hot Wheels, $19.99. We have the Hydro Force Cove Champion X2 kayak for $99.99. We have the Work Zone cushion grill mat for $12.99. And we have the Adventure Ridge lightweight portable camping chair. You can get blue, gray, or green for $14.99. We also have the Mr. Barbecue Grill accessories. You can get brush, spatula, or tongs, $4.99. We have the Range Master 65-inch gas grill cover for $9.99. And we have the Range Master Barbecue Caddy for $9.99. We have the Adventure Ridge wood wool fire starter for $4.99. We also have the Rangemaster multi-purpose lighter 3-pack for $4.99. We have the Adventure Ridge collapsible camping cot. It comes in blue, gray, or green, $39.99. And we have the Adventure Ridge insulated foam sleep pad for $14.99. And we have the Adventure Ridge portable hammock with stand, and you can get that in gray or green for $69.99. We have the Fluid Adult Life Vest for $12.99. We have the Fluid Child Life Vest. You can get that in blue or teal pink, only $12.99. We have the Fluid Youth Life Vest that comes in blue, gray orange, or teal gray, $12.99. We also have the Ambiano bug repellent fan. You can get it in black, faux wood, or white for $6.99. I heard people use these on tables where there's a lot of food and they just put several of them out and it helps keep the flies off the food. And we have the Adventure Ridge 6-foot by 8-foot medium duty tarp 2-pack. It comes in blue or tan for $6.99. And I actually need to get a set of those, by the way. And we have the Adventure Ridge 9-foot by 12-foot medium duty tarp 1-pack, blue or tan, $6.99. We have the Adventure Ridge collapsible dish drainer. These are great for camping, gray or green, $7.99. And we have the Adventure Ridge collapsible tub, gray or green, $7.99. And the last item in this section is the Hedstrom ball. You can get Bluey, Disney Princess, Paw Patrol, Spider-Man, or Stitch, $3.99. Now we're heading into the school, office, and art supplies section. First up, we have the Creativity for Kids Craft Kit. You can get Gem by Number Rainbow Unicorn. They have Sunny's woven bracelet, Gem by Number stickers, pizza and egg and bacon. They have hair clips, keychain, several different ones you can choose from, $4.99. We also have the Pembroke tie-dye kit. You can get the neon colors or the bright colors, only $6.99. And the last item in this section is the Pembroke chalk. You can choose from glitter or neon color, only $4.99. Now we're heading into the beverage section. First up, we have the Arizona Southern Style Sweet Tea, 1 gallon for $3.45. And we have the Nature's Nectar coconut water. It is a 6-pack for $7.99. And we have the Alani New Variety 12-pack. There's 2 different ones you can choose from. They have Juicy Peach, Cherry Blush, and Hawaiian Shaved Ice. Or you can get the Orange Kiss, Cherry Twist, and Pink Blush, $19.99. And the last item in this section is the Gatorade Low Sugar. You can get Fruit Punch, Glacier Cherry, Lemonade, or Rainberry for only $1.38 each. Now we're heading into the dairy, deli, and refrigerated section. First up, we have the Park Street Deli Chicken Salad. It is a 16 ounces, and you can get bacon ranch or chipotle for $5.49. We also have the Chobani 20-gram protein vanilla yogurt. It is 32 ounces, $6.77. And the last item in this section is the Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen barbecue pork burnt ends deli pizza, $7.99. Now we're heading into the fresh meat and seafood section. We just have one item here, and it is the Farmer Focus antibiotic free family pack whole chicken wings. It's roughly $6.30 per package. Now we're heading into the frozen food section. First up, we had the Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen barbecue chicken. You can get it for $4.95. We have the Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen ultra thin crust smokehouse pizza, and that's $4.99. We have the chocolate covered pie bites. You can get banana cream, coconut cream, or key lime, $5.49. Next up, we have the Simply Nature Super Smoothie Pop. You can get it in berry or mango for $4.99. We have the Bremer Chicken Bacon Ranch for $6.99. We have the Bremer Onion Pierogies, and they're $9.99. We have the Whole and Simple Fusilli with pesto for $3.99. And we have the Whole and Simple Pesto Gnocchi, $3.99. And the last item in this section is the Yummy Whole Grain Dino Buddies, $10.99. Now we're heading into the pantry section. First up, we have the Carlini Grilling Spray for $2.49. We have the Engelhofer Creamy Style Horseradish, $2.84. And we have the Engelhofer Mustard. You can get honey or stone ground, $2.84. Now we're heading into our very last section, which is our snack section. First up, we have the Chosier Chocolate Crispy Praline. You can get dark or milk chocolate for $5.99. We have the Haribo Gummy Candy. You can get cherry, unicornalicious, watermelon, or wild berry, $1.19. We have the Moser Roth Delice truffles. Is that how you say that? Delice? Coconut, mango, or strawberry, $3.49. And we have the Nabisco Belvita. You can get blueberry, golden oat, or dark chocolate, $8.39. We have the Nabisco Oreo Firecracker Pop. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, look, it's red, white, and blue. How cool is that? So, what does that taste like? I need to get my hands on that and do a video using that somehow. 4.97. I didn't catch when I was putting this together that it was red, white, and blue filling in there. Look at that. Oh, sorry, I got sidetracked. A Nabisco 10-pack snack pack. You can get animal crackers, mini Chips Ahoy, or bite-size Ritz, $5.95. We have Skittles gummies, sour or wild berry, $2.74. And we have the Bell's Gourmet Popcorn. You can get the Dubai chocolate or the matcha latte for only $4.99. We have the rich cheese sandwich crackers for $3.79. And the last item in this section is the Utz Pub Barrel Mix for only $6.97. Disclaimer: this content is not affiliated with or sponsored by Aldi. This video is a recreation of the Aldi Finds ad for informational and entertainment purposes only. Prices, products, and availability may vary by store and region. While I strive for accuracy, errors or changes may occur. Prices and details may vary by location. Information is based on the current Aldi Finds ad. Please refer to your official Aldi Finds ad or your local store for confirmation. So, friends, thanks so much for joining me. I do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So, friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next week with more great Aldi finds. Bye.